Hey guys, welcome to CryptoPark channel. And today I'm gonna talk about 5 crypto mining apps which I think it may provide good profit. All these apps belongs to Ice Network project. Previously there was one ice mining app from this project. It gave me $80 worth of ice coin. That's why I am highly suggesting you to participate in this mining app airdrops. But before participating, always do your own research. Also, from these 5 mining apps, one of the coin will be listed in December. I'll tell you which one in this video. If you want to get daily airdrops or airdrop related updates, please follow my Telegram channel. Also visit my website cryptopark.in. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first mining app is DoctorX. You have to open the app after every 24 hours and press that green button to start your mining. You will find the app download link in the description below. The second one is Sunwaves. Also in this app you have to press the green button to start your mining. You will find the download link in the description below. Third app is Sauces. Here also you have to press the green button to start mining. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking that every UI looks similar. Yes, this looks similar because these are from same project who provided good amount of airdrop before. Fourth app is SealSend. You will be earning Seal coin here. You just need to press the green button to start mining. The last app is CallFluent. Here as well you have to press the green button to start mining. One of the project will be listed in December. That is DoctorX. Guys, don't forget to follow my Telegram channel. That's it for today guys. See you soon. Bye bye.